you know, I don't know, it was January. Mr. Todd, I'm thinking about it. When I get to middle school, I don't want to play trumpet anymore. Okay, what do you want to play? I want to play cowbell. Oh, okay. Well, we have percussion at JM. You can do that. Okay. Then 2020 happened. And then this year happened. And then I hadn't seen him. And then partway through this year, like the first semester of this year, this young man comes up to me and he says, Mr. Tom, can I join band? I said, sure. What do you want to play? He said, well, I was thinking, I want to play cowbell. Okay. Sure. So, Frankie is going to be featured on this next number. Because when he came to band, and I'm not a percussionist, and he said, okay, you want to play percussion? Go. Let's figure this out. And he's been doing a great job figuring it out. He really has. And now he gets his wish.
Thank you.